How to increase max volume on iPhone. Keep watching. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Use the ringtone and alert slider to increase the general sound output. Ensure Change with Buttons is toggled on for manual adjustment with side buttons. Return to the Settings main page. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then go through the list and tap on Music. Locate the Audio section and tap on EQ. Select the EQ option with the most bass for enhanced sound. Go back and turn off Sound Check to prevent leveling audio. Navigate back to the main settings page. Tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then scroll down to select Headphone Safety. Toggle off Reduce Loud Sounds to increase the maximum volume for headphones. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tips.